Hello, my name is Rob Camandona. I am currently the treasurer for the Whatcom Museum Foundation Board, and I do a little bit of part-time bartending, especially when I can help out an organization that I support very highly. I want to show you, and I will be showing you, a number of drinks that have been provided by the distilleries that we partnered with for our virtual Speakeasy Soiree. This one, for this drink we're going to be featuring Bellewood Acres, and we're going to be using as the base spirit their aged gin, which is distilled from apples. So it's a really great flavor if you haven't had it before, and this drink will go well as we're mixing it with complementary flavors in the form of ginger and lemon. So let's get started. Similar to our other drinks, we're going to be using a highball glass. Fill it up with some ice. And then we're going to measure out 2 ounces of the Bellewood Acres aged gin. I would recommend measuring it out. This is, I would say all the spirits we're featuring are going to go down really easily, so make sure you don't overpour yourself, though I guess you're watching from home, so could be worse. Here we are. I'm going to add 2 ounces over the ice, and then we're going to nearly fill up with, now you can use any kind of ginger ale here. You could, if you wanted a more intense ginger flavor, you could use a ginger beer as well. But here we're using Bruce Cost ginger ale, and we're just going to add up to there, and then we're going to squeeze a lemon into it. One tip, if you don't do this a lot, is just to go ahead and put a cross cut across the lemon like that. This is going to help direct the lemon juice into the glass and hopefully not into your eye or your guest's eye. You give that a little stir. I'm going to top it off slightly. And then I have one other lemon for the garnish. And there we go. The Gin Buckaroo from Bellewood Acres. Cheers.